So consider this given problem statement. So it states that if sine a power 4 plus 10 times, 15 times sine a power 4 plus 10 times cos a power 4, that is equal to 6, and here a belongs to some real number, the set of real number, right? So in that case, the value of this particular expression, that is 27 times secant a power 6 plus 8 times cosecant a power 6 is equal to what? Now here I will make some assumption, that is I'll consider sine square a as t, and from this we can say that cosine of a whole squared, this will be equal to 1 minus t, right, by the identity, that is sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1, right. Now here, so now we can take this expression and we'll try to resolve it, right. So here I'll just arrange it. Now after this one, if you observe this, so this can be written as sine a squared, and on this I'll square this one, right. Similarly for this one, cosine a whole squared, and on this I'll square this one. Now for this one, I'll replace it by t, so this becomes t square, and this one I'll replace it with 1 minus t. Now moving to next one, so here I'll just expand this, so this will be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab, right. On resolving this equation further, we'll get, so this one will be 15 plus 10, that will be 25 t square, and then next here minus 20 t, and then plus 4, that is 10, and minus 6, right. So this will be equal to 0. Now this one, if you can observe clearly, so this is 5t, 5 times t minus 2 whole squared, right, and from this we can say that the t is going to have repeated roots. So this implies further that t will belong to this particular number, that is 2 over 5. So repeated roots are there, right. So this is 2 over 5, and again 2 over 5. Now from this we can say, so this sine a squared, that was equal to t, right. So instead of this one we can write this value of now this value of t we have already computed, that is 2 over 5. So this part is 2 over 5, right, instead of t. And this is also the fact that cos a whole squared, this is equal to 1 minus t. So instead of t I'll replace it with 2 over 5, and from this I will get 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 over 5, right. So I got these two values. Now we are ready to resolve this particular part, that is the target of the problem statement, that is 27 times secant a power 6 plus 8 times cosecant a power 6. Now this one can be written as 27, and this secant can be written as 1 by cosine, right. So this will be cos a power 6, and cosecant for this one we can write this one as 8 over sine a power 6. So this can be written as sine a power sine a power 6. Now we have this value. Now we'll convert this into the known form. So here the power, I'll consider the power 2 here, and this one I'll write cube over here, and here the power will be 2, and this one can be cubed here, right. Now once this part is done, we have the values. Now we'll substitute the values here directly, right. So I'll take this expression and put it over here. Now this value is 3 over 5, and this sine square a, this is nothing but 2 over 5. Now after resolving this part, we'll get this answer as 250. So for this one, 250 is the answer.